Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? It's your girl TinaBlingz and we back again with a backyard vlog. Now I have been transforming my backyard this whole summer, and you know, well, not even this whole summer, summer just started, but during the spring. So we're actually about to put up our pool, and yeah, here it is. We bought this 10-feet pool, easy setup. Inflatable. This is literally the pool right here, and we're gonna set it up over here. We bought some mats, and that should be perfect for the 4th of July weekend. And yeah, we're gonna need that, a little thermometer. Okay, so I got the idea to use a blow dryer to pump up the rim of the pool. So I'm gonna have Ramel do that. I'm gonna hold the camera, and this is what I do. You ready? And make sure we have to put it on the cool setting. Do not use the high hot setting because this is a plastic pool, and yeah, cool. So now we're gonna hook up the pumps, which is on here. These are the nozzles. And make sure y'all purge your pump. I'm gonna definitely show you how to purge the pump before you get it started.
Okay, thank God for this video.
Yes, shout outs to you. I'm gonna definitely, let me get her name right now because I definitely want to shout out this channel. This is Tracie's Palace, and she's popping too on YouTube. She has 46.7K subscribers. So is it looking at my face?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, check her out because she's helping us set up our pool via YouTube.
Now I gotta do it all over again.
So yeah, we already connected the center hole and the right holes, and then we're gonna attach it with these clamps and put the filters inside the pool. So if you want to just get all the nice angles. So what she's doing now is connecting the center filter, and then we're gonna connect the holes to the filter. So next, what you want to do is take your hose and place it on this tube. Make sure it's nice and snug. And then take your clip, put it around. And tighten. Make sure you tighten pretty good. Then we're gonna move on to the next hole. So we're gonna place this filter on and then connect the holes to the filter. You see? Cause it's a picture on here too.
There's no picture.
I don't see a picture.
There's no picture.
Okay, so I put the filter on it, and then I'm gonna place the holes.
Oh, okay, so maybe this is one that the water goes in.
My nail's about to break. Okay, make sure they're nice and snug. We're gonna have my brother tighten them a little bit more. Okay, so both are connected, as you can see, to this pump. Now, let's go back to the video.
Can't be that.
I didn't see that put on me. Didn't see it.
No, it is. we're gonna attach this long tube to the filter, and then we're gonna attach it to the pool as well with our, you know, ties. Our favorite ties. Ooh. So just put it there. Make sure you don't move the washer.
All the way.
All the way?
All the way. Yeah, you gotta twist it, but you gotta get it all the way.
Like even past this point?
All the way to the edge.
Then grab your hose, and do you push this one all the way to the
All the way.
Push it all the way in.
Put it to the edge.
Okay, so everything is connected. Now it's time to purge the pump. Are you guys pumped? Because I'm pumped. I'm so ready to
Oh, we're not
happen.
finished. We got these little pieces.
Yeah, well,
Extra pieces.
we could do the extra pieces. We could do the extra pieces and then the purge.
Yes. This looks.
Okay,
Yo, I
guys,
can't
the pool is full, and as you can see, it's nighttime. It took us that long to fill up this pool. We started around like, I don't know, like 1 something, and it's now 10. So, yeah, it's perfect. I'm about to take a little dip real quick, just so y'all can see the height.
So I'm in my pool. Yeah. I guess that's where we end the video. I will be in this pool tomorrow morning, so I might insert a little clip from that. But yeah, it's cold and I'm over this. Peace. Hey sis, so I just realized I didn't record me purging the pool. So if you want me to record me purging the pool, comment down below and I'll do that for you. It's quick and easy, and yeah.